Hello everyone, this is bag handle scarf wrap. 3 easy ways. 1. Learn how to tie a knot. Get the end of that scarf and tie it around, and second step is to wrap the scarf around the bag handle. Go through, around, over, keep the handle straight up, wrap the scarf tightly as much as you can to keep it from moving around, so it'll stay in place. And also try to keep the edges inside as neatly as possibly that you can do. And then also try your best to flatten the scarf so that there would be no bumps or any extra spaces, and cover the bag completely. The handle pull tightly. Thirdly is the final step. Go around, make a loop, and wrap it around that loop and over and pull. There it is, you guys. I just learned it and I hope that you got something from this. Thank you for watching.